Hello everyone, I'm Isaac and I'm the leader of IEM music team, and today we go to present you our project.
Education for multicultural integration and nature preservation through music and art is a major economic and educational asset with many benefits. So, how to ignore this solution when music strengthens self-discipline in children, develops the intelligent quotient, facilitates multicultural integration, and when with art we can initiate children to the preservation of nature. We valorize recyclable objects with the aim to protect the environment and create a profitable economic model for children. This is the reason why we have developed AUMmusic.com, which corresponds to a university containing multiple musical training with personalized accompaniment, the sale of our product that we produce, and the training program to create eco-friendly innovation in learners. So we would like to have specialists in web design and marketing development in order to be able to make operational our website.
So now we go to show you the prototype that we work on. Thank you for watching.
This is the homepage of our website where you can find all the workshop that we have, as well as recycling and recovery workshop, and also all courses and description of every course, where you can record your songs, learn to play piano, guitar. This is the trained courses are the most popular courses. There is a description and prices and everything you need to join us. Also, we have here you can write any question you have, and also teacher the steps delivery virtual training and personalized video courses. So here, as you see, to join us or to join our classes, you should complete these informations. And also, if you are a teacher and you wanna apply for a job, you should follow those informations. It's very easy. Then there is our products. Every product that we made in our recycling workshop, we sell it here, and there is description of every product and the prices, so you can buy whatever you want. And here if you wanna contact us, there is all information that you need: phone, email, and also the name of teachers. And we can find us on social media, for example on Instagram. So this is our page in Instagram.